This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Webb County, effective until 6:57 p.m.
The civil authorities have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Webb TX, beginning at 5:57 p.m. and ending at 6:57 p.m. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Webb County and South Central Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Ranchitos Las Lomas to 8 miles southeast of Rio Bravo, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laredo, Rio Bravo, Texas A&M, Laredo International Airport, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Laredo Community College, United South High School and Ranchitos Las Lomas. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 5. U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 812 and 824. U.S. Highway 83 between mile markers 718 and 730. Precautionary/preparedness actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
A tornado warning has been issued for Webb County, effective until 7:33 p.m.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Webb County, Texas, effective until 7:33 p.m. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a tornado warning for South Central Webb County and South Central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Rio Bravo, Oregon, 2 miles southeast of Laredo, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near United South High School around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, St. Augustine High School South Laredo and Laredo Community College around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Texas A&M Laredo International Airport around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Orville, and Undertech Industrial Park around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 19. U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 814 and 824. U.S. Highway 83 between mile markers 718 and 734. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
A flash flood warning has been issued for Webb County, effective until 10:51 p.m.
A civil authority has issued flash flood warning for the following counties or areas. Webb, Texas. At 8:51 p.m. on August 15, 2022, effective until 10:51 p.m. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Webb County in South Central Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laredo, Rio Bravo, El Cenizo, United South High School, Texas A&M, Laredo International Airport, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Laredo Community College, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Orville and Ranchitos Las Lomas. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.